Hello everybody, my name is Kaloba Eugene Jameson, and today we're going to be talking about feet. I personally... That's crazy! Actually, that's false. We're actually going to be talking about top 5 animals. My number 5 animal is an elephant shrew. Why? Because they're awesome and the boys are back in town. My number 4 animal is a raccoon. Why? Because they're also cool and they take out the trash for me. My 3rd favorite animal is a monkey because they got the drip. My 2nd favorite animal is the red panther because they're cute as fuck. My favorite animal of all time is the rat because it's the special animal of the Kaloba Eugene Jameson channel. And that's the end of today's video. Thank you for watching, and I see you next time when I actually talk about feet.